Saw your light before I knew your name. A quiet spark that set my heart aflame. Every heartbeat whispered, wait for me. And time stood still, just meant to be. Every road, every tear I've cried, let me hear right to your side. I love you for all my tomorrows, through every joy, through every sorrow. Even when the stars forget to shine, I'll still be yours and you'll be mine. I found my forever in your eyes, for all my tomorrows, for all my life. I held my breath when you took my hand. The world grew quiet, I could finally understand. Every moment before this was just a sign that love like this